Hi, I'm David Rainger from Rainger FX, and I was wondering, what if you took a bleep pedal like that and you plugged it in with another bleep pedal and another one and another one, and you set them all to full bleep, like some kind of crazy Stone Age arpeggiator thing? What would that sound like? Let's see. So here we've got the full bleep pedals, and we've also got a Mattoverse Electronics drone tone pedal, which is completely fantastic. Let's turn that on. And we have the first bleep, which is an octave. The next one is a minor third. The next one is a seventh. And the last one is another octave. And we've got an Igor controller plugged into this last one. And you get to hear more of the bleep with the lower the input signal, so let's turn that down. Interesting. And let's do some of this. Okay. So I know you're going to want to know what this sounds like with an electric guitar through it. So here we go. It's magnificent, but it's pretty unusable. Sorry to have wasted your time.